Hello children, what are you all doing? Have you done all the exercises and all that I gave you? So let me sing one song for you. You all also know this song and you sing this song along with me at home every day. Followed? So that you learn up all the things that keep us clean. So I'll start. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. Understood? Then this is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face early in the morning. Then what do you do after that? This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath early in the morning. Then this is the way we put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes early in the morning. Then this is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair early in the morning. Then this is the way we wear our shoes, wear our shoes, wear our shoes. This is the way we wear our shoes early in the morning. Then after doing all these things, what you do? This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school early in the morning. So, did you all like this song? You all sing it every day so that you learn up everything. And I will show you the screen now. All of you, look at the screen. And there are certain things which are going to tell you what you are going to do with all these things. We use different things to keep ourselves clean. Followed? What are the different things now that keep us clean? First one you see, this is the soap and this is taking a bath with water. We use soap and water to wash away the dirt on our body. Things which make us dirty, no? We use soap and water to wash it away. Followed? What do you use to wash away the dirt? What do you use? Soap and water. Then next you see, this is towel and this is a boy wiping his body. We use a clean towel to wipe our body. Followed? What do? We use a clean towel, not a dirty towel. Every time we should use a clean towel. Then what we use? We use toothbrush and toothpaste to brush our teeth. What we use? Toothbrush and toothpaste to brush our teeth. All of you all are doing all these things regularly, twice a day, morning and night. Then next is what? We use a comb to keep our hair tidy. We use a comb to keep our hair tidy. Then we use a hanky to blow our nose and keep it what? Clean. You blow your nose, running nose you have, then you blow your nose with this hanky, use it. Followed? All of y'all? Everything is easy or no? Then what is this? Nail cutter. We cut our nails short with a nail cutter. You see, here cutting the nails. and you all are also doing or no with it. Then now I'm going to give you one exercise. You will do it on your own after seeing so many pictures and learning up everything. I hope you will be able to write all these on your own. I help to keep you clean. Write my name below my picture. Every picture, below it you have to write the name of that thing which keeps you clean. Look at it carefully. You try to draw these pictures also. Some of them you can draw, I think so, very well. Can you see, children? All the pictures. Write the answers below the picture. If you draw it, it would be better. You would learn up everything. So, how is it, children? Now, still confused with all the things? I hope not. I will give you some more exercises afterwards. For now, this much is sufficient for you. And be good, do your work neatly, and write properly. Plus, you read those sentences or whatever I have explained just now, those sentences written over there. Read those sentences, learn up all the things that keep you clean. By heart, you must know all these things, and the spellings also. So, bye for now, and thanks a lot. Be cheerful and smile.